Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add chaos video effect to your videos or your photos in CapCut PC. So for example, I am going to select images, just add some images, and after done, we're just going to select effect, select distortion. You can find chaos video effect. This is new Pro effect from CapCut. I have to join Pro first to be able to use this effect. So add to the track and make it shorter according to clip duration and copy paste, put on top clip. Alright. And after done, you can see alright. You can add transition and start placing. Select all the clip and I'm just going to add more effect. Select my collab and select camera shot. So this is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.